This month, I am struggling to reinfuse a little serotonin into my brain after the last couple of months of very dark reading materials. So we are starting out with Saad's latest book, The Sad Truth About Happiness, 8 Secrets for Leading the Good Life. Yes, I am aware this is a new book. When I did my reading list video for the month, I explained I needed happiness in my life, and this was fortuitously timed to come out right then. So when I bought Prepared, I also bought this one and basically the entire month's reading list. The cocktail this week is called Pursuit of Happiness. It is 1.5 ounces of blended scotch, a half ounce of banana liqueur, a third ounce of Italian red liqueur, and a dash of saline solution, which is not to be confused with like contact lens saline solution. Don't do that. I don't believe that's food grade, but they provided a recipe on the website, which of course I'll include a link to, on how to make your own. So that's what I did. It's just saline solution in a little beaker of water. And since it's just salt water, after this, I'm going to dump it on the cracks of my sidewalk and salt the earth a little bit to get the weeds to stop growing. 2 birds, 1 stone. I get drunk, I kill weeds. Happy day, happy day.